Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits, everyone. Today is going to be epic. I'm going to show you how to mine Solana for free using the Limbo game on Solpick. Once you're logged in, go to Games on your dashboard and select Limbo. Now put in these settings. Target multiplier, put to 7. Win chance put to about 14%. On loss increase by 27%. Once you have at least 0.004000 Solana, these settings should work. As you can see, I already mined 0.005000 Solana. Make sure you start out with the lowest minimum bet. You want to be able to lose at least 18 times in a row before you win. Those pay out big. Never get greedy, always take profit just in case. Go ahead and test these settings. Set a stop loss to make sure you keep your winnings. If you don't have any Solana, claim from the faucet or do surveys. If you don't know how, watch one of my videos on how to claim or do surveys for free crypto. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.